How to set up the Swann DVR recorder for the first time. Now this is the model 4850 or 4580, sorry. So here what you need to do is first plug the power into the device. There is no on or off switch, so we have to plug it in like this. So there's really no on or off switch. You just need to plug it in like so. Okay, once you plug it in, the device will start up. Give it a few moments and you should see a wizard allowing us to set up the Swann DVR recorder. Okay, so here is the startup wizard. So select your language and click on next. Then click on next. Here you need to create the password. The default username is admin. So here put in the password. Now put in the password and then go down and we put in the email address. So enter in your email address and click on the next button. Okay, so from here you need to select the language, the video format, resolution, time zone, date format, time format, and device name. So this is the device name, 4580V. Now click on the next button. Here is the receiver. So here you can choose setup as auto or manual. So if you select manual, you can set up your email SMTP port and then username and password. You can set in the email address. So you need to set the email address and the SMTP at gmail.com. So depending on your email service that you are using, you need to set up the correct SMTP server. Now you can also always set up the email address later. So here I will click on next. And here you click on enable for NTP. You can disable and enable it. Server address, date, and time. You can click on update now to get the latest current time. And then click on next. Then click on finished. And then click on OK. Now the system will go ahead and check for the latest firmware. And my device already have the latest firmware version. So click on OK to finish. And that's it. We have now successfully set up the DVR. And if you need to replay or view a replay of the video, you can click on that. And then here you can view instant playback. You can menu capture, PTZ, zoom in. So you can also replay by going down to the menu here and click on search. Now put in the password. Okay, so put in the password, then click on your camera. So your camera 1 is essentially channel 1. You can select all channel if you wanted to. And here we got the mainstream or substream. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.